Fix it fast. If your Instant Pot Pro is heating unevenly, taking too long to pressure up, or the sauté function feels weak, you're likely using the wrong inner pot. Let's get into the fixes. Step 1. The visual check. Pull out your inner pot and flip it over. The Pro requires a perfectly flat bottom to sit flush against the heating element. If the base is rounded or domed, it's from an older Duo model. That gap between the pot and the element is why your heat is failing. Step 2. Look for handles. The genuine Pro pot has 2 distinct stainless steel handles. These handles must slot into the notches on the cooker base to lock the pot in place. If your pot is handleless, it's the wrong one. It will spin while you stir and lose contact with the heat sensor, triggering C5 or food burn errors. Step 3. Inspect the bottom of the cooker base before inserting any pot. Lift the inner pot out and look down into the base. The heating plate should be clean, dry, and completely clear of debris. Grease residue and mineral deposits on the plate create a barrier between the element and the pot, reducing heat transfer even when the right pot is being used. Wipe the plate with a soft, barely damp cloth. For stubborn buildup on the bottom of the inner pot itself, a small amount of Barkeeper's Friend on a damp cloth removes staining and residue without scratching the steel. I have linked it in the description. Step 4. Swap and test. If your pot is domed or handleless, swap it for a genuine Instant Pot Pro inner pot, available in 6 and 8 quart sizes. To confirm the fix, run a water test. Add 1.5 cups of water, 2 cups for the 8 quart, lock the lid, and run pressure cook on high for 5 minutes. Your pot should hit pressure and start counting down within 10 minutes. If it does, you're back in business. If problems persist with the correct pot, there may be a sensor fault. Contact support using the link in the description. If this helped you identify the wrong inner pot and get your Pro heating correctly, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you still need Barkeeper's Friend, I have linked it below. It is the best way to remove the burnt-on residue and mineral deposits from your stainless steel pot that block heat transfer at the base. Thanks for watching, and now your Pro can finally cook like the Pro it is.